Hello everyone. In this screencast we'll look at bank reconciliation in QuickBooks. So I've already got my company up and running here. Again, I restored it in the previous video, so if you haven't done that you can do that. It's Classic Interiors. So first of all I'm going to look at what's been happening with the bank account locally, and then I'll match it to a bank statement, which would be the remote version. So I'll quickly look at the chart of accounts. I can look at all of the activity in a particular account via the chart of accounts, right? Account register. We'll be looking at RBC Checking. So if I double click on that, and actually instead of looking at the register, which will show me all of the transactions, I want to filter the transactions, so I'll look at a report. So I'll just quickly close this one here, and I'll go down to reports. And quick report, again, that will be to do with the presently selected item always. And then we have a date range here. So we want to only look at February of 2016. So again, my system tray shows day month here. So it's 1/2/16. So 2016 was a leap year as well, every 4 years. So here's all of the transactions that are in that bank account. Now why is it showing me, oh, I didn't use February, I used January. My bad. And that should be to the 29th. There we go. So here's all of the transactions I see for my bank account. So my ending balance for that date range is $71,457. Now I'll be comparing this to the bank statement. Again, this is in the book that I have on page 35. So you see that the ending balance for that bank statement is 80,887.70. So we'll check off everything that appears in that statement, and hopefully we'll bring that total to match the bank statement total. So I'll just minimize this or switch back to my home screen. We'll once we do a bit of work, we'll see how this updates. So again, remember 71,457.70. I'll go home and I'll choose reconcile. So again, it is indeed RBC Checking. The statement date is February 29th. The ending balance, again, I'm looking at a statement, page 35, which is 80,887.70. We also have a service charge, again, on that statement of $55, the very last item on that statement. Usually service charges are down near the bottom. And that was on the 25th of February. We have no interest on this one, although in real life you generally would. And we can choose whatever account. Bank service charges makes sense. So I'll choose continue. So basically I'm going to check off all of the checks and the deposits that appear on the statement. So the very first one, I've got a deposit there on February 1st, 1973.545. There it is there. So we recorded that correctly. Loan payment 2010. There's one there. This is for February 1st. Transfer to payroll on February 1st. Check 226, 224, 225, 229. February 10 deposit, 17,900. The statement I have will match my transactions in real life. You may have to find errors. 3729. Sorry, check number 227. 228. 230. 238. There it is, 238. 231. 232. A deposit for 20,280.11. 234. 236. 233. 235. A deposit for 15,668.58. 237. And we already got the service charge for $55. See it there? So presently, there is no difference. So I'll choose, when I choose reconcile now, the service charge will be posted. So it'll be a credit from the bank account and a debit to the service charge expense. And I should be in good shape. So I choose reconcile now. I don't need to see the report, so I'll just choose close. Get rid of my XPS viewer. Now, in order to see that service charge, you can just go to your check register. Is one place. Should be able to see it there. RBC Checking. Okay. There's the service charge there. If I want to take a closer look at it, I can just double click on it. There's the check. So doesn't have a pay to the order of, because we didn't actually write the check, but it ends up being a check, which is a little odd. Alrighty, and that's basically a bank reconciliation. Again, you just reconcile, choose the bank account, choose your date ranges, enter the ending balance, and check off all items that appear in your statement. Also add service charges and any interest. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you next time.